If you're experiencing tingling in your feet, that burning sensation running through your legs, numbness creeping into your hands, or nerve discomfort that somehow feels 10 times worse when the lights go out, stop everything and listen closely, because what I'm about to share could change everything for you. Here's something most doctors won't tell you. Your body doesn't repair nerves evenly throughout the day. There's actually a critical window, a golden opportunity for nerve recovery that most people completely miss, and it happens while you're sleeping. This is when inflammation naturally drops, when circulation redistributes itself throughout your body, and when your nervous system finally shifts into that crucial repair mode. But here's the problem, and this is massive. Most people go to bed in a state that completely blocks this natural healing process. Tonight, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your internal environment so your nerves actually have a fighting chance to recover. And I need you to follow along with me right now, because I'm making this extremely interactive so you can feel some of these changes happening in real time while you're watching this. First, let me share something simple but incredibly powerful that will shift how you think about nerve pain forever. Nerves are living tissue. Just like your muscles, your organs, your skin, they desperately need three things: oxygen, nutrients, and protection with calm electrical signaling. When blood flow becomes poor, when inflammation runs high, or when nerves start overfiring from chronic stress or those dangerous blood sugar swings, repair slows down dramatically, sometimes stopping completely. This is exactly why two people can walk into a doctor's office with the identical diagnosis, yet one person improves while the other stays stuck in the same painful cycle. It often comes down to the environment their nervous system is living in, especially during those critical nighttime hours. So let's make this interactive right now. I want you to rub the bottom of one of your feet. Go ahead. Do it right now for 10 seconds. Really pay attention to the sensation. Does it feel dull, tingly, maybe hypersensitive, or perhaps weak and disconnected? That feeling you're experiencing right now is giving you a direct clue about your nerve signaling and circulation. Now compare it to your other foot for a few seconds. Notice anything different? Many people discover that one side feels completely different from the other, and that doesn't automatically mean something scary is happening. It simply means we have room to improve what those nerves are receiving. Now let's build what I call the nighttime repair environment. I want you to think of nerve healing like trying to repair a busy road at night. If traffic is still flying through at full speed, if the ground is constantly shaking, if there's smoke and chaos everywhere, that repair crew cannot possibly do their job effectively. Your mission tonight is to calm the environment so that repair crew, your body's natural healing mechanisms, can actually do their job while you sleep. Step one is all about circulation. When you lie down with cold feet or sluggish blood flow, your nerves simply don't get the oxygen they desperately need to repair themselves. So before bed tonight, I want you to sit on the edge of your bed and do ankle pumps for 30 seconds. Watch this carefully. Point your toes forward, then pull them back towards you. Feel those calf muscles contracting and releasing. Those muscles are acting like a second heart, actively helping blood pump back towards circulation, dramatically improving flow to those lower nerves. If you want to amplify this even more, add small circles at the ankle too, 10 circles in each direction. This simple movement wakes up what we call microcirculation. And microcirculation is absolutely crucial for nerve health because nerves are extremely sensitive to oxygen delivery. Even a small improvement in blood flow can completely change how those nerves feel. Now do this quick check with me. After those ankle pumps, rub the bottoms of your feet again for 5 to 10 seconds. Go ahead and do it now. Many people immediately feel more warmth or enhanced sensation. That's an incredible sign. Better circulation means a better delivery system for repair to happen. Step two is calming your nervous system, and this is where most people make a critical mistake. Your nerves absolutely cannot heal if your body thinks it's under constant threat. Stress hormones keep nerves locked in a hyperexcited state. That's precisely why your tingling feels worse, why that burning sensation ramps up, and why the muscles around the affected area start to tighten and spasm. So here's something beautifully simple you can do before bed that has a real, measurable physiological effect. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for just a moment. Then exhale slowly out of your mouth for 6 seconds. You're going to do that 5 times. And what you're actually doing on a biological level is shifting your body away from fight or flight mode and toward what we call parasympathetic dominance. That's the rest and repair side of your nervous system, the healing state. The parasympathetic system increases calm signaling, improves digestion, supports circulation balance, and literally sets the stage for deep tissue recovery. If you want to make this even more effective, do the exhale like you're gently fogging up a mirror, slow and controlled. That long, deliberate exhale is a direct signal to your body that you're safe, that there's no threat, that it's time to heal. Now here's another critical interactive piece. While you're breathing, consciously relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, let that tension melt away. Those areas are directly connected to your nervous system's stress response. Most people don't realize they're going to bed still holding massive amounts of tension in these areas. And here's what you need to understand. Tension equals threat to your nervous system. Calm equals repair. It's that simple. Step 3 is nerve nutrition, and this is fascinating. Your nerves are insulated by a protective coating called the myelin sheath, just like insulation wrapped around an electrical wire. When that insulation becomes stressed or damaged, nerve signals can feel sharp, create that burning sensation, or become completely irregular. Certain nutrients directly support nerve metabolism, and your nerves absolutely depend on them for optimal function. B vitamins, especially B1 and B12, support nerve energy production and proper signaling. Magnesium helps calm overactive nerve firing and supports muscle relaxation around those irritated nerves. Alpha-lipoic acid provides powerful antioxidant properties in nerve cells, which becomes extremely helpful when those nerves are under oxidative stress. These aren't magical fixes or miracle cures. They support the fundamental physiology that your nerves depend on to function and repair themselves. But here's what blocks nerve healing more than most people. Realize, and this is absolutely critical, inflammation and blood sugar spikes at night are sabotaging your recovery. If you eat heavy, sugary meals late in the evening, blood sugar skyrockets, inflammatory chemicals flood your system, and nerve irritation increases dramatically. That's exactly why so many people notice their nerve symptoms feel significantly worse at night. It's not just because they're lying still and focusing on it, it's because their internal chemistry is actively working against them. So one of the most important things you can possibly do is finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Let your body shift from active digestion into deep repair mode. If you want a simple guideline to follow, keep that last meal lighter and avoid big sugary treats or heavy refined carbohydrates late at night because they trigger inflammation and interfere with achieving deep, restorative sleep. Now, another interactive check. Press your thumb firmly into the arch of your foot and hold it there for 5 seconds. That area is incredibly dense with nerve endings. Then release it. Now do it again and pay close attention. Does the sensation feel sharp, dull, or just right? If it feels very sensitive or painful, it can indicate your nervous system is irritated or the surrounding tissues are inflamed. If it feels dull or barely noticeable, it can mean poor nerve signaling. Now, after you complete your ankle pumps and slow breathing exercises for a full minute, press that same spot again. Many people notice dramatically improved sensation or increased warmth. That's your body responding in real time. Now let's talk about what happens during sleep that makes this entire approach so incredibly powerful. During deep sleep, your body releases critical growth factors and repair signals. Your glymphatic system, which is essentially your brain and nervous system's cleanup crew, becomes significantly more active during this time. Waste products and toxins are systematically cleared out, inflammation levels drop, and tissues actively restore themselves. That's one major reason why sleep deprivation makes nerve symptoms so much worse. Less sleep directly equals less repair time. And the quality of your sleep matters tremendously too. If you're waking up constantly throughout the night, tossing and turning, your nervous system never gets a complete repair cycle. So let me give you a simple nighttime nerve repair routine that you can implement starting tonight to get consistent, powerful results. First, do 30 seconds of ankle pumps and add those ankle circles we talked about. Second, practice 5 slow, deep breaths with that longer exhale to shift your body into repair mode. Third, avoid heavy late meals, especially those loaded with sugar that spike blood sugar and trigger inflammation. Fourth, support your nervous system with key nutrients if appropriate for your situation, especially the ones that support nerve metabolism and promote calm signaling. I also want to add one more piece that people absolutely love because it's so practical and effective. Temperature matters more than you think. Warmth naturally increases circulation throughout your body. So if your feet are cold at night, consider wearing warm socks or taking a warm foot bath earlier in the evening. You don't need extreme heat, just comfortable warmth. Warmth tells your blood vessels to open up, to dilate, and that supports significantly more circulation, reaching those hungry nerves. Now here's the most important part of everything I've shared with you today. Consistency is everything. Nerve recovery is rarely instant or overnight. Nerves tend to heal slowly, but they absolutely do respond when you change their environment. If you do this routine for just one night, you might feel some change, maybe warmth or improved sensation. But if you do it consistently, night after night, you're actively building the optimal conditions where real repair becomes increasingly likely over time. And one more important reminder before we finish. If you're experiencing severe progressive numbness, major weakness, sudden dramatic changes, or loss of balance, always get checked by a qualified healthcare professional immediately. But for the many people dealing with ongoing nerve irritation and discomfort, this approach is an incredibly powerful place to start because you're supporting the basic physiology that your nerves absolutely require to function and heal. In conclusion, I want you to truly understand this. Your nerves are not broken beyond repair. They are living, responsive tissue, and living tissue responds powerfully when the environment changes for the better. Tonight, you're giving your body enhanced circulation, calm signaling, and the targeted support it desperately needs to restore itself. Do this consistently, and you're no longer fighting against your body. You're finally working with it, supporting its natural healing intelligence. Remember this always. Healing is not random or mysterious. It follows physiology, and now you understand how to work with that physiology. If this video opened your eyes to how you can support your nerve health naturally, do me a favor right now. Smash that like button so more people dealing with nerve pain can discover this information. Drop a comment below and let me know if you felt any changes while doing these exercises with me. And if you want more videos on natural healing and taking control of your health, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. I only wish vibrant health and vitality to you, your loved ones, and your entire family. Make it a great day, and remember your health is in your hands. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.